Hello and welcome to day 84 of Bedtime Welsh. Are we going to make it to the 100? Do you think we'll make 100?
Yeah.
Well, Baino does. We'll see. Okay, we've got a new word for you today, and the new word for today, you can see the sofa's in the wrong place again. We're getting ready for a movie night. Angharad has just made it really, really nice in here for her mother and me to have a movie night, so I wonder if there's something going on. So the new word for today is the Welsh for how or how to. And the Welsh for how is sit. Sit. So to begin with, that's nice and easy. Tell me what the Welsh for how or how to is.
Sit.
Sit. So how about to understand how? To understand how. Baina's going to sleep.
Wyt ti'n gallu trio neud hynny eto?
To understand how.
I ddeall sit.
Yeah, you don't need the E in it, just deall, sit. Deall, sit. Okay, so how about to understand how to start? Can you remember that? To understand how to start.
Sit. Deall sit I ddechrau.
Deall sut I ddechrau. Okay, ti angen deffro chydig bach, yn dwyt dy hun. Deall sut I ddechrau. How about to understand how to watch? Can you remember that one? To understand how to watch.
Deall sut I gwylio.
I wylio. I wylio mewn dreiglad yma na.
Wylio.
Deall sut I wylio. And if you said I gwylio like Baino, well, that's what he said. So there you are. It's easy to play around with those. It doesn't matter too much. Okay, how about to understand how to play?
Deall sut I chwarae.
Deall sut I chwarae. And let's give you a monster to end with. How about when are you going to understand how to play?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall sut I chwarae?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall sut I chwarae? So, well done. That's another day ticked off. And we'll see you tomorrow or fairly soon afterwards. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!